Hey guys, Cece back with another video, and today's video is a super exciting one because I've teamed up with Deck of Scarlet to show you their brand new makeup palette. So I've seen the name Deck of Scarlet floating around YouTube for a while now, and I've really been curious about what they are. So when they reached out to me, I was very, very happy. I'd been thinking about subscribing because I've seen good things. So I'm happy that they reached out and teamed up with me for this video. So if you don't know anything about Deck of Scarlet, they are an every other month subscription service. Every other month you will get a palette, and the palette is curated with a YouTuber. So I think that's pretty cool that YouTubers are getting opportunities like this with these brands. And this month's curator was Elyse. So they worked with her on this palette. If you don't know who that is, wake up, okay? She's a really great YouTuber. I've been watching her for years and years and years, and she recently, I think her daughter's like 2, and they're just really cute together. Her daughter's really cute, and I am a long time subscriber of hers, so congratulations to her. But she teamed up with Deck of Scarlet in order to create this amazing palette. The palette comes with 3 eyeshadows, a highlighter, a blush, and then 2 lip shades. So pretty much an entire face palette. The entire concept of Deck of Scarlet is actually pretty cool because you don't have to be a subscriber in order to purchase products off of their website. You can actually go on their website and purchase not only this palette that's out this month, but any of the other previous palettes as well. So I think that's pretty cool because I've gotten subscription services and then I go back and browse the last month's box, and it's totally amazing and I love it, but I can't buy it. So with Deck of Scarlet, you can go back and buy any of the previous palettes from any of the previous months. You can skip months if you want, if you don't really care for that month's palette. So I just think they're a great subscription service. I'll have a link in the description box for you guys if you're interested in Deck of Scarlet. Your first eyeshadow palette would only be $21. So go ahead and check that link out if you're interested. So this is the palette here. I'm wearing it on my eyes today. I used the blush on my eyes as well as the highlighter and all the eyeshadow shades, and this eye look came out so gorgeous. So I'm really excited to show you guys this look. Before we get into it, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on all of my social medias, my Instagram, my Snapchat, and also my Facebook fan page. Those are the best ways to keep up with me in between uploads. I love you guys so much, and if you want to see how I got this look right here, definitely stay tuned for the tutorial. Alright, so now that I got y'all all up in my grill, let's get started with the tutorial. This is how the palette comes packaged right here. So cute. Comes in this cute little sleeve, and then you just kind of slide it out. And there is your palette. So this is the Deck of Scarlet palette edition number 10, and you can see that right on the back. And then it just opens up like this. So you get 2 lip shades right here, and then you also get your eye shades. So you get 3 eye colors, a blush, a bronzer, and then a pretty big mirror. So I think this palette will be really good for travel. I would definitely take this with me when I travel. Another good thing that I like about it is that the lip colors are separate from the powder shades. So you separate your creams and your powders. I do not like when palettes don't separate their creams and their powders. That drives me nuts. So I'm happy that they did that here. Now I already have on the base of my face, if you guys can see that. So what I'm going to do is just start on my eyes. I'm going to go in with this light cream shade right here. This one is called Vibes, and I'm just going to put that all over my eyelids. Since the other 2 shades in the palette are shimmers, I just want to put a base on the eyes. So I'm going to take this like orangey brown shade. You guys know I love shades like this in this Huda Beauty palette. And I'm just going to sweep that in the crease of my eyes. The thing I like about this palette is you can get some really quick looks. Like I'm about to pull off a really quick foreshadow eye look. Like, it just came to me right here, all right? So what I'm gonna do is take the blush in the palette and I'm gonna add that to my crease as well, slightly underneath the crease shade that we just laid down. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and take the shade Bomb and I'm gonna add that to this outer corner, outer V area. Look, it's super cute. I'm gonna deepen up the lower lash line by taking the shade Bomb and sweeping that all underneath here. Then lastly for the eyes, I'm going to take the highlight shade in Literally and I'm going to put that in my inner corner. I'm going to use their eyeliner. This is the Deck of Scarlet liquid eyeliner in Throwback Black. So I'm going to take their eyeliner and also add some Morphe lashes in number 43. So these babies right here, I'm going to put those on and I'll be right back. Alright, so I am back. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the rest of the face. I do just want to comment on that liner though. It was super black and went on really, really smooth. It's not shiny or anything like that. I am liking that liner. So sometimes I have a problem over shimmery shades on my lid where the black liner just doesn't show up as much as I wanted to. Didn't have that issue here. I'm gonna take that blush in Bay and I'm just going to pop that on the cheeks. Really pigmented. Be careful.